In this lesson, we are going to derive quadratic formula for solution of quadratic equations by using complete square method. And for that purpose, we know that the general form of quadratic equation is the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is called general form of quadratic equation. And as step 1 of the procedure we adopt to solve quadratic equations by using complete square method, we make sure that coefficient of x square is 1. But here it is a. That's why we divide the entire equation by a. So for step 1, to make sure that the coefficient of x square is 1, we are going to divide the entire equation by a. Dividing entire equation by a. So once we divide it by a, this will become ax square over a plus b over ax plus c over a is equal to 0 over a, that is again equal to 0. So once we have divided, a is going to cancel with itself in the numerator and in the denominator. So this will give us x square plus b over a x plus c over a. In fact, we should move the constant term to the right side of the equation. Let's do that. So we are going to transfer c over a. So x square plus b over a x equal to minus c over a. Now we will define what is a, what is b, what is c for this new equation. A is, the coefficient of x square. So comparing equation 1, which we haven't named yet, let's call this as equation 1. Comparing equation 1 with standard form, the coefficient of x square is called a. What is a here? A is equal to 1. And what is b? Coefficient of x, that is b is in fact here b over a. And what is c? C is equal to plus c over a. So these are, if we include signs. After we divide the entire equation by a, then coefficient of x square is called a, coefficient of x is called b, and the constant term is called c. As step 2 of the procedure, we know that what we do for completing the square. For step 2, we are going to add 1 by 2b whole square on both sides. So what is b now? B is in fact equal to 1 by 2 times the value of b is plus b over a. That is the coefficient of x multiplied 1 by 2, and then taking the square, we will add this quantity on both sides of the equation. So this is, if we further simplify it, this will become plus b over 2a whole square. This is what we are going to add on both sides. So this will give us x square plus what is the equation b over ax, b over ax, and leave lot of space is equal to minus c over a. In fact, that is minus c over a. That is, and now we are going to add this plus b over 2a whole square on this side, as well as we are going to add plus b over 2a whole square on the other side. We know that adding the same quantity on both sides of the equation doesn't change anything. And we also know that the left hand side by now is actually whole square of the two square terms, which are x is a one square term and the other is plus b over 2a whole square. This is equal to, if we simplify the square term on right hand side, this will give us b square over 4a square minus c over a. Now we are going to take LCM on right hand side. Here the LCM would be 4a square. 4a square, and here it is b square minus 4ac. The way this LCM thing works is that we write 4a square and we write the second term, and then we write this in two factors, 2 times 2 times a, and the second denominator is a, and we take the common factor, which we are going to write only once. LCM would be equal to, the common factor will be written only once, and then all the uncommon factors, which is 2 times 2 times a, this is equal to 4a square. That's what is LCM. And when we simplify these fractions, 4a square is divided by the first denominator, which is 4a square, and the answer 1 is multiplied with b square. And similarly we do 4a square divided by a, and answer is multiplied with c. That's how we get. And here this is x plus b over 2a whole square. And once you have you have simplified equation in this form, then we are going to use the inverse operation method to find the value for x. X plus b over 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac over 4a square. And this time we are going to take square root of this, and we will write it like this and then write the square. Means that this is in fact equal to x plus b over 2a is equal to plus minus b square minus 4ac, that is over 2a. The way it works, I will explain that after this. And now we are going to transfer plus b over 2a to the right hand side. This will give us x equal to minus b over 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. As you can see, the denominator on the right hand side is common, so we are going to only write it once. that is 2a, and here we have minus b plus minus and then b square minus 4ac. This is equal to x, and this is what is called the quadratic formula for solution of general equations, which is quadratic formula, which is quadratic formula for solution of quadratic equations. Quadratic equations.